from the station that's on your side. This is Channel 7 News at 6.
Well, good evening to you. Tonight we begin with new details in a lawsuit filed against the state of Arkansas. It claims that new laws that change the voter referendum process are unconstitutional.
Channel 7's Andrew Mobley spoke with both sides and joins us in studio with the details. Andrew.
The lawsuit, filed by the League of Women Voters of Arkansas and the group Save Our Democracy, claims that 5 laws recently signed by the governor and originally filed by State Senator Kim Hammer unconstitutionally restrict or impair the freedom of citizens to petition.
They just increase barriers to participation by adding on unnecessary steps that discourage people from signing a petition or from going out and carrying a petition.
Concurrent to the lawsuit, the League of Women Voters and Save Our Democracy are petitioning to get an issue on next year's ballot that would allow Arkansans to vote on whether or not to streamline and enshrine the state's ballot initiative process in the state constitution, such that laws like Hammer's couldn't amend the process. So let's talk about what the new laws do. Act 240 requires that canvassers verify signers' identities by viewing photo IDs before allowing them to sign petitions. Act 218 requires canvassers to tell signers that petition fraud is a criminal offense. And Act 241 requires canvassers sign an affidavit before signatures can be counted. Lawmakers have said anywhere from 5,000 to 10,000 fraudulent or duplicate signatures have been found in recent petitions.
Suspicion was that people were intentionally signing those forms multiple times in order to get the numbers up. For prosecutors to be able to prosecute, we needed this piece of legislation so that they could not deny that they knew.
They're like, oh, there's all these duplicate signatures. They don't get counted twice, they get thrown out.
Act 274 requires that either canvassers or those signing petitions read the ballot title aloud to ensure it is understood.
There was a significant amount of individuals that called Secretary of State's office and asked to have their names removed because they were misled.
And finally, Act 453 made more specific the requirement that canvassers be Arkansas residents, after paid out-of-state canvassers based out of a hotel were discovered last year gathering signatures. Reforms and lawsuit aside, there's a deeper issue here: the debate over how easy or difficult it should be to change our state's constitution through direct democracy.
The petition and then the election is kind of the original 2-factor authentication system, right? Like, you have the first step to make sure that there's broad support to get it on the ballot, and then the actual vote on it, there is a lot of security.
I think that what we have found is achieved a balance in the middle, where if people want to put something on the initiative process, here's the way to do it, and do it to the highest level of purity.
A date for the lawsuit's first hearing has yet to be set. Channel 7 will keep you updated. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
Okay, Andrew, thanks so much.
And for more on this story, head over to katv.com.